Hi everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. I wanted to do a quick video on how I like to prep tiles for resin or acrylic pours. And all I need are the tiles, of course, some standard electrical tape, and some scissors. So stick around and I will show you what I do. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the electrical tape, make sure I have a clean straight edge, and I'm going to line that up with the tile's edge, both right at the end of the tape and then along the edge of the tile. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and cut right along the edge of the tile, actually using the tile itself to help guide me there and make a straight line. I'm going to just press that down gently. And then I'm going to take the other side and I'm going to make sure that it's overlapping the first one. And then that way it'll help me when I'm taking the tape off down the road, that at least 3 of the pieces will come off together. And I'm just going to do that for all sides, making sure that it's overlapping the tape in front of it, and on this last piece, overlapping both sides of it. And then I'm going to go around and make sure it's pressed down nice and gently. Make sure you watch the edges of the tile because they can cut you, so be careful along that. And that's it. So I'm going to do another 3 here so I get a full 4 set. You can check out the video I've done on how to remove the tape easily, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you next time.